Hi guys, welcome back to this channel Shivani Goddess Beauty. My name is Shivani and thank you so much for coming on to this video. Chalo, so आज का video है I'm going to show you my drugstore products which are best and affordable. I have literally used the foundation, lipstick, mascara, everything of this brand. If you're new here, why am I doing this? And if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel because lots of amazing stuff, makeup videos, travel videos, morning routines, all of the stuff on this channel right here. So don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. If you have pressed the bell icon, then only you'll get the notifications, which is very important, so that you don't miss any of the videos. And those who have subscribed, you've done a great job. So now let's get straight into the video. और पता है क्या, मैं every video के time पे सोचती हूँ कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगी, but when the camera is on, there's English coming out of my mouth. I don't know why. On camera, you have to speak at a certain speed. मैं सच में हिंदी में videos बनाना चाहती हूँ. Let's start with this, little by little. Lots of rambling. Let's get straight into the video now. Let me start with the very first product that I have from Maybelline, and that was this eyeshadow. This was my first buy from Maybelline years ago. I think 4 to 5 years ago. और ये अभी भी है. Where is the Hindi gone? और मैं ये अभी भी use करती हूँ. This सिर्फ 5 shades है. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah. And the shades are, I'll just swatch and show you. Wow, look at this. Inner corners में यहाँ पे भी use कर सकते हो. It's not too highlight. Wow, look at this. ये ऊपर वाला जो कि मैंने ख़त्म कर दिया है. और यहाँ पे black भी था. Black टूट के गिर गया है. किसी भी आई शैडो पैलेट्स में जो ब्रशेस आते हैं वो किसी काम के नहीं रहते. To be very honest, you have to buy different brushes. और ये जो शेड है यहाँ पे, my hands are too dry. ये जो शेड है यहाँ पे, wow, this is for the outer eye, for the outer V. Wow, look at that. And these all are very affordable prices. I don't know the price of this. I'll just put somewhere on the screen. और ये पता भी नहीं कि अभी ये मिलता है या नहीं. ये बहुत पहले का है and I just love it. मैंने अभी भी इसको यूज़ किया है. जो मिडिल वाला शेड है, कॉपर शेड, फिंगर से, so it goes on very nicely also with the fingers. हालांकि मैंने और कोई पैलेट्स यूज़ नहीं किए हैं इस ब्रांड से, but I think they are really good, very nice. Moving on, foundation. This is foundation with clay. मेरे पास और एक बॉटल भी थी ये वाली, जो कि मैंने पूरी ख़त्म कर दी है. और उसके बाद मैं ये वाला यूज़ कर रही हूँ. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी कन्वीनियंट. जब भी आप ट्रैवल करते हो, यू कैन जस्ट टेक दिस इन योर बैग. और बाय द वे, अगर आपको ये जानना है कि कैन दिस बी अ फुल कवरेज, ये तो नहीं बोल सकती कि ये फुल कवरेज होगा, बट मैंने एक चीज़ ट्राई की है और वो है मेरे यहाँ पे गाल पे तिल होते हैं. इन माई लास्ट वीडियो आई वॉज वेयरिंग मैक फाउंडेशन, तो उसमें भी थोड़ा दिख रहा था क्योंकि मैक फाउंडेशन भी मीडियम, लाइट टू मीडियम ही बोल सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आई डिड इज़ मैंने एक लेयर लगाया इसका एंड अगेन आई पुट ऑन सम ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर। उसके बाद फिर से इसको लगाया एंड आई ऑनेस्टली कैनॉट सी जो तिल है मेरे फेस पे, मेरे गाल पे ऑनेस्टली नहीं दिख रहा है। सो दैट हैज़ बिन कवर्ड विद दिस फाउंडेशन, क्ले फाउंडेशन, एंड दिस ऑल्सो रिटेल्स फॉर ₹299. Wow, this is so amazing. I've also tried the brands like MAC, Estee Lauder, Huda Beauty, but वो सब high-end brands है, but Maybelline at this affordable range and that good of a product, thumbs up man, thumbs up. Also for everyday wear, just put this on and just you're good to go. Then next comes is concealer. अब मेरे पास दो शेड्स है, one is Sand 20 and one is 15 Fair. ये मेरा फर्स्ट वाला कंसीलर है जो कि इट्स लिटरली यहाँ तक आया हुआ है एंड दिस इज़ अ न्यू वन। दोनों भी शेड्स अलग है, Sand 20 और ये वाला है 15 Fair. This is for the medium skin tone, for the Indian skin tone. This is fair. Fair लोगों के लिए होता है. This also goes very nice on my skin tone. और बहुत ज़्यादा fair है. अगर आपके dark circles है and if you wear this shade of concealer under your eyes, तो वो grey patch दिखने लगेगा क्योंकि उसके पहले आपको सेट करना होता है with the orange corrector वो सब, and then you can go ahead and use this shade which is fair. I also do have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Concealer. This and this are both same shades. मैंने इसको try करके देखा था. This is more like it just gets into the skin, but this is Makeup Forever and this is Maybelline. I can literally compare both of them. थोड़ा सा slight difference होगा texture में because this is more thick और ये थोड़ा सा it's like cream and liquid. इससे liquid ये है. This is more intense than this one. So yes. Next product comes is this is the primer. This is Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry Primer with Vitamin E. इसे box में आता है, which is really nice. This retails for ₹499. Wow, look at this. For $499. Maybelline, what are you doing? Packaging इसका बहुत अच्छा है. It's in a plastic tube. लेकिन ये बहुत it feels sturdy. I mean, it's not at all cheap. Cheap looking बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. In fact, it's a very nice quality of packing. It's like a cream. It's smooth, dewy, matte नहीं है ये. It's not for the oily skin क्योंकि ये matte नहीं है. It's dewy and smooth. You see that? और अगर आप इसके ऊपर फाउंडेशन लगाओगे जो कि मैं अभी दिखाऊंगी, it's going to go so smooth. This is the shade 115. And it's just going to go so smooth. Can you see कितना smooth लग रहा है ये वाला हाथ? कोई भी फाउंडेशन लगाते हो अपने चेहरे पे and it's looking dry और फ्लेकी ऐसे लग रहा है. Your skin needs exfoliation. आपको स्किन को एक्सफोलिएट करना, स्क्रब करना बहुत ज़रूरी है before you wear foundation. क्योंकि अगर आप एक्सफोलिएट नहीं करोगे, आप स्क्रब नहीं करोगे, आप फाउंडेशन लगाने के बाद वो लिटरली दिखेगा आपके स्किन पे and it will look very weird. That is the reason you need to exfoliate and scrub your skin before one day. तो इतना ध्यान में ज़रूर रखिएगा. Next comes the mascaras. एंड दीज आर द हाइपर कर्ल वॉल्यूम एक्सप्रेस वाटरप्रूफ। मस्करा बाय करने के टाइम पे आपको इतना ज़रूर ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि वो मस्करा वाटरप्रूफ है या नहीं। डोंट गो फॉर एनी हाई एंड मस्करा विच इज़ नॉट वाटरप्रूफ। अगर आप नॉन वाटरप्रूफ मस्करा लगाते हो, इट्स जस्ट गोना कम ऑफ। अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी हंसे या फिर रोए, इट्स जस्ट गोना कम ऑफ straight on your face. It can be a disaster. So this is very important point to note down. Yes, you need to invest that much of time to take this off because this is waterproof, which I like. अगर आप कहीं भी नहीं जा रहे हो, आप घर पे ही हो, सिर्फ फोटोज़ के लिए मस्करा लगाना चाहते हो and you're aware that it is not waterproof, then you can wear it. And I'll show you इसके wands कैसे है, क्योंकि वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है। So this is how it looks, and it's gonna curl all your lashes. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा intense चाहिए, this will do it. ये बहुत ही cheap में मिलता है, not even 300 I guess. It's hyper curl. It curls very nicely. I love it. Now, guess what my favorite product from this range is, and that is Maybelline highlighter. So this is the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator. And I'm warning you, this is just gonna blind you. Look at this. Can you see this? Can you see this? I'm wearing it right now. I love to be glowing goddess. Wow, look at the glow. I cannot wear enough of highlighter. This is comparable to any high-end luxury product. I did try the Kylie one. I did try the Anastasia one. This is on its own. This is absolutely the best highlighter at this range. You can literally wear any high-end luxury foundation, and for that highlighter, you can literally glow with this goddess glow. It is that good. Now, people who don't like highlighter, you will not like it because this is absolutely an blinding highlighter. Now quickly, next is Maybelline lip liners. तो मेरे पास ये दो lip liners है from Maybelline. One is red, one is nude. Packagings are really good at the price that it comes. Yeah, not to forget, this is an international brand. It's very nude, very subtle. because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा nude है. This is in the shade 150 Brick Red. This is a very nice, it's actually very nice. Can you use this for bridal? Yes. Yes, you can use this for a bridal look to outline the lips. And I was literally searching कि चलो सब Maybelline products निकालते हैं, and I was really surprised to see I have so many Maybelline products. Wow, I was really impressed. Let's do the bullet lipsticks first and then the liquid lipsticks because you will know why. Alright, so I have 3 shades. जब से मुझे पता चल गया कि Maybelline bullet lipsticks are equivalent to Huda Beauty, then why not? I'm like comparing all these products to high-end products. Yes, I am. Alright, the very first shade, which is the Divine Wine, which I'm wearing right now. Wear this lipstick. You just need one swipe of this and that's it. This is that good. I'm not kidding. अगर किसी के पास है तो you can comment down below and tell me how much you love this product. I love this. Absolutely love this. Wow. This is looking a little bit different on camera, but I can tell you, wait. This is dark and one swipe is enough for you to wear on lips. I'm telling you. Now next shade is Pretty Please MNU 15. Wow, one swipe and that's it, guys. You just saw it right now. See, this is a little pinkish undertone, and this has brown undertone. That's the only difference, and both are equally good. Now the next shade which I have is Madly Magenta. This is my cousin, so I'm not opening it. I'm just going to show you a picture how it looks, and this is how it looks. This is creamy, it's not matte, but it stays on your lip. And the last, the products which I have from Maybelline. I hope I'm not missing out anything. So these are liquid lipsticks, liquid matte lipsticks in the shade Red and Nude. This one is Super Stay Matte Ink. Not all the red lipsticks look so good and suits all the skin types. I personally like the very dark undertone red and not the tomato ones. I don't like the tomato red, not at all, or the orangish red. I am not a fan of that. This is to be sad, it's not that that kind of red. This has orange reddish undertone. Even though this is red, it has orange undertone, so I'm not a big fan of this, but yeah, you can literally make it dark and pigmented as you want by adding some more products to it. This consistency is a little thicker than the red one. Wow, it's a beautiful nude shade. It's a beautiful nude shade. Very, very nice. This is intense consistency, so only if I'm going out, then only I can wear this. This is a very beautiful nude shade with the undertone, with the pink undertone. Yes, this is how exactly it looks. And last but not the least is the Super Stay. See how it comes out. You see that? I think in the next video I'm going to try wear this liquid lipstick, this shade. So dekhna na bhuliega. I'm going to wear this shade and I'm going to show you how it looks. Liquid lipstick fir bhi aapke lips pe rahega. This is how exactly the color looks. Exactly this color. This will only suit fair skin tone and above medium fair skin tone. With this, we have come to an end, and how you guys liked it. I absolutely love these products. These are best products at affordable range, and what else you want? I mean, you're getting the product what it promises. These are the best drugstore products and my favorite. So please comment down below and let me know how you loved all of these products. If you use it, tell me how much you love these products, and please be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and get notified every time I upload the video. And after this, a lot of product reviews are coming on this channel, so stay right here. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook to see the sari lookbooks that I have created, and oh my god, everybody has loved it so much. I know I'm saying this too late, but it's incredible to see that you guys are loving those pictures so much and giving hearts and loves and sending like gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, like stop looking so beautiful. Seriously, yes, I kid you not. So yeah, so with that, I'll take a leave and see you in my next video. Bye.